Don't run post promotion ads on Facebook. It is a waste of your money. I laugh when I hear this, and I often hear this. Every business person or advertiser or marketer or consultant wants every post to go viral, get millions of engagements, but Guru says don't run post promotion ads. Why not? Why now do it with paid ads, post engagement ads? First thing first, there is a reason we have this facility. There is a valid reason that we have this objective in Facebook Ad Manager. Facebook wants to know your target audience. The best way to tell is through engagement ads. You get more eyeballs and engagement on a post having more reactions. Reactions have a ripple effect on other people. They attract more people, they get more engagements. Therefore, you should run post engagement campaign from the very second week of launching your page and never turn it off. Just turn off your old post ads and add new posts in the ad set. If you post daily, do it daily. You only need rupees 2700 monthly to remain in front of your audience consistently. Imagine all of your posts have 100 plus reactions. How good your page looks, how attractive your page becomes, how authoritative your page becomes, and your business also. It solidifies your business online. It tells Facebook who are your audience, who are your target audience, and it is cheap, dirt cheap. I always suggest my clients to have a budget for post promotion ads, at least rupees 75 per day. If it is a new page, I start post promotion ads after having three posts. I will go to the ad manager, create a new campaign, select post engagement as objective, set targeting in location as India or Bangalore or cities with 1 lakh populations, and one detailed targeting. New parents means parents of kids having age of 0 to 12 months, or parents of toddlers, or day trading, or traveling, or fashion choreography, or online shopping, Gary Vaynerchuk, digital marketing, as per decided target audience. Just remember, don't expect leads from such campaigns. It is only to attract relevant people to your business. Get extraordinary engagement on the posts and give the Facebook system an idea of your audience. Leads or inquiries can come as bonus. This strategy gives you better result when you run ads for lead generations or conversions, because Facebook now knows who are your broad audience. Now a message for newbies. Hey guys, if you are someone who creates and posts on a Facebook page for a small businesses, you can start advertisement and increase your income with post promotion. Tell your client you can get 100 plus reactions on every post for rupees 3000 monthly plus your fee. Now run post promotion ads with a broad audience. If you want, you can set a rule to turn off ads with 100 plus reactions. It will make your client and you both happy. You only need 2 minutes daily for this work. What say?